Hi, my name is Mark Flourish with PSE. We specialize in delivering business intelligence systems for our customers. Here's one of the ways that we do that. So this whiteboard session we're going to dig into today is called the Business Intelligence Managed Services Agreement. We created this service around 2009 when the recession hit. We had a lot of customers that did not want to engage consultants full-time. They were budget constrained. They still needed access to the experts. So we basically designed a framework and model that's a very unique service. We don't see anybody else offering this. It's called the Managed Services Agreement to let our customers tap in the experts just in time when they need help. So let's talk about what that service is. So first of all, this organizational structure outlines what a typical mid-market or large enterprise has in terms of people reporting and working within the business intelligence team. So up top here we have a business intelligence manager, we have data architects that are really geared around data warehousing, ETL developers that do some of the development work on the back-end data side, content creators that could be a report developer or a dashboard developer, business intelligence administrator, which is really responsible for upgrades and those kind of things, and then the people that build the frameworks to enable those business units to serve themselves to information. That's the structure that we see typical organizations have. Now, smaller organizations might collapse these different roles together, but this framework is a framework that we see organizations implement. What we have found as we look at this organizational structure model is every once in a while a customer will have turnover. When they have turnover, they've got some gaps. So when they have those gaps, the Managed Services Agreement allows us to basically come in and fill in those gaps when those gaps exist. We also see that as you see the boxes here, this is a lot of people, and this can be overwhelming and very expensive for a typical organization or a mid-market organization that doesn't want to build that big of an organizational structure. So often what customers do, they might have the second layer because they have to have that secondary resource in case this person goes on vacation. In our framework or model, when we implement an MSA, we remove this layer, we become the backups to some of these resources, and we take on some of those roles and responsibilities, and we complement our customers' teams. There have also been occasions where, let's say this business intelligence admin function, a lot of our customers, they'll do an upgrade every other year. We do about 10 upgrades a month. So they cannot be as deep ever as we are in terms of doing upgrades because it's not a core competency for them. So there are occasions where there are certain services that they just don't want to deal with. Where they want to focus on is really delivering value to the business, and they want to get out of some of these functions that really don't provide value back to the business. So this is an example of maybe a customer choosing to, this upgrade stuff that we have to deal with, let's basically have PSC take care of that. What this shows is a way that we can kind of design and tailor a structure that complements your organization. Make sure that if you are at risk and you're not too deep here, we have a model to support you so you can manage your risk. If you basically don't want to have as many people in this area and reduce your cost, you have a framework in order that enables you to do that to reduce your cost of ownership. We promise to deliver a world-class business intelligence system that provides the greatest value to you and your organization. So we just went through our Business Intelligence Managed Services Agreement. It's a very unique offering. There's nothing else like it out on the market. If you're interested in the concepts we just went through and you're interested in taking your organization to the next level of maturity in the business intelligence area and you want to get to level 4, level 5, please give us a call.